What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Bueller here again, and today, coming out with a new video, I just wanted to talk about FUBO and a couple of different trade type of entries that we talk about each day in chat. So something that's really cool in my chat is that I do post watch lists every day. We have watch lists every night, talk about different trade entries and everything. And if you aren't catching up with us, then you need to take a step back, take a breather. You need to go back to this info and review it. And I'm not joking. Tag me. I have literally tens and tens of people who DM me every day with their trades. So feel free to reach out to me if you're just not growing or you don't feel comfortable or you think you're in a rut of some sort. But I'm gonna mainly send all of you back over to this channel. I'm not joking. You need to go back through this. You need to go review it a lot more. But this is where you'll get a lot of the just main types of trades we take. And you can see right here, FUBO is another example I had for that channel. So what I'm gonna do now is go over FUBO from yesterday. You can see Etsy was playing out today. Where am I at? Oh, yesterday. So here is FUBO. So we made about 16%. Where was our trade? Here it is. FUBO above 2180s or below 20.55. So let's go look at that. As you can see, I have a crap ton of charts open here. So 20.55, I think I erased it today because of today's levels. So I had it cleaned. I'll make it red so we all remember. So that was our main break below. It was mainly set from previous day levels in our TA routine. But as you can see, though, right at open, we did have the pre-market low break. So first 5 minutes, very, very good, strong opening, saying, all right, good sellers in control. And you can see 10 minutes later, and I'm on the 5 minute, as you can see, 2 candles later, 10 minutes later, you can see we have rising seller volume close under what level? That 20.55. So we were in that trade right there. And it did move down a little bit lower. I think we were only up about 3-4% here. Price then continued back up. What held us in this trade? What made me not want to sell and actually grab more contracts? The rejection of 20.55 with lowering volume. So as you can see, I had good rising seller volume, then lowering, lowering, lowering. So I'm seeing what? I'm seeing people get out of this as it's rising. That's not good for buyers. That is good for sellers. So what am I going to look for double confirmation after the rejection of my break below level? Because this is the initiating open range breakout level, correct? So this is my initial entry, my 40% entry. Okay, always remember the initial breakout is considered a 40% entry. This is aggressive, especially if you enter before candle close. It's best to enter on candle close, and then you have your 80% entry. The level that we used to get our 40% entry was retested with lowering volume, and then we took it down with double confirmation, making a new low of day with rising volume. So we had rising seller volume breaking the new low of day. Sorry for all the lines, but as you can see though, continuates down. We have another buyer reaction, fails to hold, pushes back down. You can see we have another slowdown. And what are these slowdowns that I keep mentioning? What are these? Okay, you don't just move up a chart. So in this case, it'd be down. So does anybody here know what parabolic means? Parabolic basically means a move that is unsustained. What is a healthy move? A sustained move, a move with sustained supports or resistances, even in certain cases like this one. But what you want those slowdowns, those pushes, those retests. Okay, you want that initiating break. You want this to come back down and test this with lowering volume, so they get that sustained move. So it has a healthier chance of moving higher continuously. Same thing for the downside. You can see it staircases, staircases, staircases. Then it goes down. So you always want to have a sustained move for a healthier, longer push. As you can see, they failed to make a new low after that, and they actually ended up using our other strategy, our buy the dip strategy. They actually ended up making one low, two low, so we have a base, and they had rising volume push above the 9 EMA, so very good sign. And you can see after that it kind of held the same angle and just pushed up for the rest of the day and then held that range. But I just wanted to go over that because we did take a pretty good trade on this the other day. I took it on stream live with everybody. I think Andre was one of the few people who caught it with me. But just to show you guys, how we trade, FUBO is touching break below with volume. Stop loss is 20.55. So we're using the breakout point as our stop loss after we have entered. Okay, so as long as price is under that, we're good. FUBO, see we sold half at 2015, and then we're going to cut the rest at 2055. That was about that retest point when it had fell and then came back up. So we were saying if it closes above this, we'll take the rest. So we took profits on some here, and then we took profits on the rest as it pushed down back towards 20. So hope you guys enjoy this trade review. Hopefully you guys pick up on how we trade. Again, It's easy. If you're not in this chat, come sign up. I help people with tons of info. I help people with the course. I help people with all kinds of info in here. I'll cut people deals. It's not about money in this chat. I really do just want to see people grow. So invite your friends. Engage. Tag me if you need help. But leave a thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.